Good morning, Nana. Good morning, children. How are you, Nana? I hope you are fine. Are you listening the classes? Listen the class properly, Nana, and practice it. Okay? Are you practicing tables, Amma? Already in first class you got 2 to 10 tables. You have to learn up to 15 tables in second class. Okay? So practice tables also. Okay? Don't leave it. Okay, for second class children, I already completed 21 exercises. Today I am going to start 22nd exercise. First problem. Insert greater than or less than or equal to sign. Okay, so the given first is 200 plus 5 and 205 plus 5. Okay na? So you have to first add left side and right side. Then you have to compare. Okay, first add these, Nana. 200 plus 5. 200. See, Nana. 200 plus 5. Write in ones place, Nana. Start from right to left. Okay. 0 plus 5 is 5. 0, 2. Okay na? So left side is 205. Next add right side, Nana. 205 plus 5. You have to write next number in ones place only. 5 plus 5 is 10. 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. 2. Okay na? So left side you got 205 and right side you got 210. So which is greater, Nana? 210 is greater. So keep that side symbol open. Okay? Next. 100 plus 2 tens. Second question is 100 plus 2 tens equal to dash. Okay now? All of you know 100. 2 tens. 2 tens means 2 into 10. You will get 2 tens 20. Now add 100 plus 20, Nana. 100 plus 20. So 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 2 is 2. 1 down any number is not there. So write same number. So answer is 120. Okay, ma? Next. Third one. What comes just after 248 after? They are asking after number, Nana. You know very well here 100's place is 2, Nana. So start with 2 and 48 after number is 49. So which number 110 means 10. So now 10 minus 3 is 7. Here 8 is there. So answer is 87. Okay now? Next. Skip count in twos. Skip count in twos. Skip count means you have to skip numbers now. Okay? Here they are given 40, 42. Okay? You have to skip. See, they gave here 40. You have to jump two numbers. 40 after 41, 42. Next, 42 after jump two numbers. 43, 44. Next, 44 after 45, 46. Next, 47, 48. They gave 48 already. Okay? Circle the greatest number. Circle the greatest number. Circle the greatest number. They given 176, 182, 167. See Nana, here check the numbers. Here 3 places given in this number. In this number also they given 3 places. Here also 3 places. First check hundreds place. Hundreds place they given 1, 1, 1. So in 3 numbers hundreds place is 1. Now go to next numbers. Tens. You know 76, 82 and 67. In this which is greater Nana? 82 is greater. So which number is greater? 182 is greater. So circle that number. Next, dash minus dash equal to 12. Okay now? So which numbers you will subtract Nana? You have to get 12. Two numbers you have to take. Which two numbers you will take? You will get 12. Suppose 14 minus 2. Okay now? 4 minus 2 is 2, 1. Okay, you got answer now. So write first number 14, next number 2. Okay now? Next Nana, you have 0. 10 minus 2 you know very well. 8, 0, 2. So the answer is 208. Next, you have to write 265 more than number now. 265 more than. You have to write big number than this number. Okay? Suppose write 290. Okay na? Next. Next Nana. 10th one. They gave here dot. Okay? Next dot here. Next dot here. And next you have to draw the circle. First draw circle. Well, you have to draw. See Nana? First in this box they given. Next one. Next. Next where you have to draw? Here. Okay na? Learn tables Nana. Repeat the tables. Okay? And practice the problems also.